Today's channel will be about animals. How you can see, there are many different types of animals and they are very cute. There are many different types of animals. Those that fly and those that run on ground. Usually animals are in rainforests. But in rainforests there are a lot of pollutions. Kittens usually are in a group. And usually kittens are very scared. And if they see food that no one is touching, and if they're hungry, they always eat the food. Usually animals are caught in zoos. Many different animals can be in the water. Rabbits like to relax and usually they make holes.